Here is a slightly tricky problem. Two towns A and B are connected by a regular bus service with a bus leaving in either direction every t minutes. A person cycling at a speed of 20 km per hour in the direction of A to B notices that a bus goes past him every 18 minutes in the direction of his motion and every 6 minutes in the direction opposite. What is the period of the bus services and at what speed do the buses ply on the road? Okay. Now, let us assume that the speed of the bus which is assumed to be constant is v, that is v kilometer per hour. Now, speed of the bus which is going from A to B with respect to the person or the cyclist is equal to v minus 20, because he is moving along that direction. Now, speed of the bus going from B to A with respect to cyclist is v minus of minus, that is nothing but v plus 20. So, this is the speed of the bus with respect to cyclist. Now, if we consider the distance covered, let us assume that distance covered by the bus, assuming that the period is t in time t, this must be equal to, I will write s, this must be equal to velocity into time. So, this is not the relative value, this is the total distance it covers. It is travelling at speed v and the time taken is t. So, I write time taken is equal to distance by velocity. This is actually the relative displacement rather, because this is the relative value, this is the relative value. So, it is the relative displacement. So, let me simplify this one. In the first case, what does he say? In the question he says that every 18 minutes when he goes from A to B. So, I am going to use this equation 18 minutes, right. So, 18 by 60 is equal to distance travelled is v t and this is v minus 20. I will call this as equation 1. Likewise, for the second case, this is for the first case. For the second case, that means when he is moving in the opposite direction or when he notices the buses in the opposite direction, that is 6 divided by 60 is equal to v t divided by v plus 20. Let me call this as equation number 2. Now, let us divide equation 1 by 2. If we divide equation 1 by 2, what do we get? We get it as v plus 20 divided by v minus 20, that is equal to 3. 18 divided by 6 is 3. So, upon simplification we get v is equal to 40 km per hour, which is the speed. Now, I will use equation 1 or equation 2, anything for that matter, and substitute here to get t is equal to 9 minutes. T is equal to 9 minutes.